Assalamu alaikum, namaste, hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen, Cook with Nikar. Let's prepare today tea time snack, sweet cashews. To prepare this, we need 1 cup wheat flour, 1 cup all-purpose flour or maida or refined wheat flour, sugar, powdered sugar, 3/4 cup, 20 grams milk powder, cashew and almond powder, milk to make dough, sodium bicarbonate or the dosa soda, pure ghee. Let's prepare now. We have to make a dough adding both the flour, wheat and all-purpose flour, milk powder, and this is approximately, you can add as much as you want the powder. This is sugar, powdered sugar. Now we are adding a pinch soda and pure ghee, 3 spoons. We have to make a dough just like how we will make for the chapati. Then we have to keep for 15 minutes covering the bed cloth. After the 15 minutes, we have to make a chapati just like a chapati in thick chapati. Then we have to make the cashews. This is the way we have to make the dough. Now we have to keep for 10 or 15 minutes covering bed cloth. After 10 or 15 minutes only, we have to flatten the dough. Till then we have to wait. Chapati, we have to flatten this dough just like a chapati. The way how we will make the chapati, in the same way we have to do. We have to apply a little ghee, pure ghee, just like the layer paratha. Now we have to again flatten the now we have to cut the cashews with this. This is the cork of water bottle. Let us see now how to do. Like this. Thus, we have to do all like this. Now one line is over. Now we are going to start the second line. To start the second line, we have to give a little gap. We have to start from here, like this. These remaining pieces that we can use again. Now see, this is the way we have done. Like this, I have done everything. Now this is, you can use once again, mixing this one. You can add in the dough. Again, you can flatten this one. You can make the same type of, this type of the cashews. Now we have to fry we have to check whether the oil is heated or not. It should not be much heated. Just like a badshah, it should be light heated. Now we have to add. Till this became very light brown, we have to fry. Now we have to take out into the plate. Now our sweet cashews are ready to eat. Now you can eat with the tea or as a snack. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click the like button. Till the next upload. Take care of yourself. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Jai Hind. Allah Hafiz.